Hello everyone. In this video, we have to find the value of x if x plus 1 by x equals to square root of 5. Solution will be, here we have been given that x plus 1 by x equals to square root of 5. Let's say this equation 1. Now x minus 1 by x whole square equals to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 4. This equals to, now substituting the value of x plus 1 by x over here, we can write this as square root of 5 whole square minus 4. Here square root and square will be cancelled out. This equals to 5 minus 4 equals to 5 minus 4 will be 1. Now taking square root on both sides, we can write this as square root of x minus 1 by x whole square equals to plus minus square root of 1. Here square root and square will be cancelled out. This equals to x minus 1 by x equals to plus minus 1. Let's say this equation 2. Now on adding equation 1 and equation 2, we get equation 1 is x plus 1 by x equals to square root of 5. Equation 2 is x minus 1 by x equals to plus minus 1. X plus x will be 2x. 1 by x minus 1 by x will be subtracted. This equals to square root of 5 plus minus 1 will be square root of 5 plus minus 1. Now dividing both sides by 2, we can write this as 2x by 2 equals to square root of 5 plus minus 1 by 2. Here and here 2 will be reduced by 2 1 times, here also 1 times. This equals to x equals to square root of 5 plus minus 1 by 2. Therefore x equals to square root of 5 plus 1 by 2 or square root of 5 minus 1 by 2. This is our final solution.